Hello, everyone, and welcome to Health Quest. This application has been developed by our core team of Michael Ratajczyk, myself, Jordan Woodbury, Christopher Jones, and Ali Kurgay. Exercise is widely considered to be one of the best things that can be done for human health. Yet it is a well-known issue that finding motivation to exercise is one of the biggest roadblocks to actually engaging in the activity. The reasons include not knowing what to actually do, not having any social groups or support, not seeing a satisfying amount of progress, not getting instant gratification for doing it, and so on. The motivation to exercise is an incredibly sought-after feeling today, and a simple dive into Google will reveal everyone and their sister has their own solution to this motivation problem. Have friends, but focus on yourself. Set goals, but don't overthink it. Reward yourself, but make sure the exercise itself is fun and rewarding. Any piece of conflicting information you can think of is out there, and can make finding motivation even more disheartening. So we are faced with this very difficult and widespread problem. What will we do about it? Well, it's 2022 and we want a phone app that handles motivation for us. Enter our solution, Health Quest. Health Quest is an app designed to help users on their fitness journey through the use of motivation theory and gamification. Health Quest is a suite of features designed to create as many sources of motivation as possible for the user. We compiled many ideas from motivation theory and the concept of gamification to build the foundation of this app. There are four main sources of motivation that Health Quest will provide that is directly linked to the motivation of users to exercise. First and foremost, the gamification of exercise, such that by performing exercises, you get to play and progress in a game. It's worth noting that this is our most unique characteristic, as there isn't another app on the market that gamifies exercise in this way. Second, social interactions and positive social influence in the Quest and party game modes to create social motivation. Third, viewing and easily tracking your progress so that you feel intrinsically motivated by the progress that you as a person have made, independent of the game. And fourth, instant gratification for exercising through the use of in-game rewards and player stats so that every workout session can feel rewarding. Now let me walk you through how someone will use Health Quest. So here we have our homepage, which we start on when you log in through the app. We can access this drop-down menu, which will take us to wherever we want to go. Let's say I just finished an exercise, so I'll come to log exercise. I can start a run if I wanted to, which will track time, distance, pace, and more. I didn't do a run, so I'm not going to log that here. Coming back to log exercise, we can start a workout instead. Let's say we did leg presses today, so we search for that. After finding it, we can select it and find the dialog, and let's input that we did maybe about 5 sets at 10 reps for, say 100 pounds each. So we go ahead and save that and complete the workout. That's all we did for today's workout, so we can complete. We can then navigate to the history page. This history page will let you see all previous exercises. The green marker is for today. Looking at this, we can see some deadlifts, bench presses, and there's our leg presses. You can also look at previous days to see what you've done in the past. Markers will show for your entire exercise history, while nothing shows for the days you haven't exercised. Let's go explore the Venture Forth mode. This is our game mode where we can take part in either quests or adventures. Quest mode allows you to custom tailor goals for yourself, while the adventure mode is more open-ended and procedural. Taking a look at quest mode first, we can see that we've actually already set some goals for ourselves in the past. Clicking leg press goal allows us to let that cute exercise play out, and we can see that we've actually done more than enough damage to take this enemy out and complete that quest. Returning back to quest mode, we can now define a new, tougher goal for ourselves. The button at the bottom brings up the exercise list for selection, and searching out leg press again, we define a new goal. Because our last goal was a little too quick and easy, this time we'll set up for a cumulative leg press at about 50,000 pounds. Now this should now be something that we can chip away at for weeks before beating this new goal. And these goals remain in your quest log until completed to help keep you motivated. Navigating back to the Adventure Forth, we can take a look at our current obstacle facing us. Our damage up here is calculated based on several factors like diversity of exercise, consistency, and total weight. We can continue to log exercises in the future to conquer this enemy and move forward. But let's now switch gears to something a little more social for Health Quest. We have a friends list where you can add your friends to be stored for the future. Friends can be added to your friend list from this page by searching up their username and selecting their profile. But instead, clicking on an existing friend will give access to the party invitation dialog. So let's go ahead and invite this user to our party. In the party page, we can view our current party. My current party is called Demo Party, and I have 2 active members in the party. This plus sign takes us right back to the friend page where we can invite this person to our party. But let's go ahead and keep our party as it is for now. Under my current party invites, we see another invitation to Tester's Party, but let's go ahead and decline that since we're happy with our current one. You can also leave your current party from this cogwheel menu. This party page allows for your party to gather before setting out in the Venture Forth Party mode, where each member is a part of the team, working to take down tougher enemies as a group. Now back from our menu, the inventory page allows users to mix and match their style using pre-configured options to customize their avatar. You can choose several colors for defining features, as well as swap out your desired clothing to match your tastes. Selecting Save here will ensure that those new changes are kept for your avatar. The stats page is useful for tracking your progress within the app. So here we can see our current experience toward the next level, as well as a comprehensive history graphs of the exercises we've done more than once. More graphs will begin to show here the longer we've used this application. Our About page will have information about the current version of the app as well as any contributors to the current project. If you encounter a bug or find that you have feedback to offer the team, this page also offers a Submit Feedback dialog for voicing those criticisms, concerns, or creativity with a helpful bug checkbox. HealthQuest's technical stack is defined by a Unity-generated front-end that communicates with our C# backend. The backend code manages the integration of mobile phone APIs, internal storage, AWS API gateway communications, and access to the Cognito user pool. We decided on using Unity for its ease of UI development and integration with mobile phone builds and calls to OS-specific APIs. Our internal storage system utilizes a general-purpose file management of JSON files for storing session data not needed on the database. The MySQL database on the RDS instance gives the application reliability and scalability well over what we could make ourselves. And the Cognito authentication ensures best-in-industry security for a user's most important information, like passwords and emails. We worked on this project using the Agile methodology and split our work into weekly sprints. All of this code and task management was hosted on GitLab. Over the course of this project, we've completed 149 tickets and had 90 separate code merges into the baseline. Consistent exercise is hard. It takes a good deal of willpower and motivation to keep up on it. HealthQuest is here to make it easier by utilizing game and motivation theory to give you instant gratification for your work, an easy interface to track your personal progress, and positive social interactions and cooperation surrounding your work. Thank you for your time.